Types of speed. Speed is can divide into two categories. One is uniform speed, that is non-uniform speed. Again, this non-uniform speed can categorize two way. In non-uniform speed, there are two types of speed, that is average speed, instantaneous speed. Clear? Okay. First, we'll discuss about uniform speed. If a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, direction is not the factor to check here. A body traveling equal distances in equal interval of time. Is said to be in uniform speed. Means what? Suppose this is a distance of 10 km, the body covered in 1 hour. Second distance is also 10 km, the body covered again in 1 hour. Third distance, this is the direction changed, but again 10 km covered in 1 hour. So this is called as uniform speed. Direction change, direction is not a factor. If the body covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the body is said to be under uniform speed. Hope I am clear. Here the speed in uniform speed, the speed is every time same. That's why there is no case of average speed instant, because both will be same. Always speed is remain same. So average also same. Anytime the speed is also same. Instantaneous speed also same. So, but for non-uniform speed, what is non-uniform speed? Then we'll go for this one. Okay, non-uniform speed. A body travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, or equal distances in a unequal interval of time. Clear? Non-uniform speed is the body is either equal distances. Suppose 10, this is 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer. First one 10, 10, 10 kilometer, 1 hour. This is 1.5 hour. This is 45 minutes. Then it is not under uniform speed. It is non-uniform speed. But suppose a body is traveling unequal distances, equal distances. Body traveling unequal distances, equal interval of time. Now suppose this is 10 kilometer, this is 20 kilometer, this is 5 kilometer. First it covered in 1 hour, second in 1 hour only, third in 1 hour. Time is constant here, but distance is not constant. Distance is changing. Then also it is a non-uniform speed. Either time is not same or distance is not same. Both the cases the body is said to be under non-uniform speed. Are you clear? Let us take an example of a bus. You traveled from here to Koraput. The distance is, suppose let me take 100 kilometer. You took 4 hours. So what is the, so every time you traveled in 4 hours or what? No, 25 kilometer. Every time not. Sometimes you stopped. That is the reason. At that time velocity speed is zero. Speed is zero. And when you are climbing a mountain, suppose your speed will be less, and so when you are coming down slope, you are coming down to the slope, then the speed will be more. Okay, so that case it is non-uniform speed. And in non-uniform speed, there are two cases I said. One is average. Here what will happen, the speed is not constant everywhere. That's why there comes average speed and instantaneous speed. What is average speed? Total distance, average speed is called total distance by total time taken. Suppose I said the example now, you traveled from here to Korafut, that is 100 kilometer, you traveled in 4 hour. I said your speed is 25 kilometer per hour. This is called as average speed because throughout the journey you have not traveled with this speed. You have taken some halts where your speed was 0, while sometimes you have taken more than this 25 kilometer, might be 50, 60 kilometer, that is, and sometimes it may be less than 25 also. As an average it comes 25 kilometer per hour. Then what is instantaneous? Instantaneous is at a particular instant, particular short period of time. What is this instantaneous speed? Speed of a body at a particular time. Suppose 10, 15, like that, what is the speed? That is called instant. But for that instant, the speed was whatever that. Suppose you are, suppose 10, 15, your vehicle is at rest, stopped somewhere. So that is that time what? It is a 0 speed. Okay. But average is whole total distance by total time. Instantaneous is at a speed of a body at a particular time or a small interval of time, we can say. Hope I am clear to everybody. Okay. Now, please okay. Instantaneous speed means speed of an object, speed of a moving body at particular time. Suppose I am traveling from here to Bhubaneswar by my car or bike. Suppose I have not traveled throughout the journey certain speed. Suppose this is 500 kilometer, the distance is, I took nearly 10 hours. So average speed is equal to 500 kilometer by 10 hours, that is so 50 kilometer per hour. I have not traveled throughout the journey. My bike was not at its priority. Some places might have stopped. Some places, some during my journey, some places I may have gone more than 50, like 60, 70, 80 kilometers speed. Sometimes might be less than that. And as an average total distance by total time taken is 50 kilometers per hour. But what is that is average. But instantaneous means at the particular time. Suppose my journey from morning 10 o'clock I started and reached there by night 8. What is my speed at evening 5 p.m.? 5:15. That speed. That time, what is the speedometer's reading? That is called instant. At that instant. Instant means particular time. At that moment, what is the speed? That is called instantaneous. Are you clear? This is all about the speed. It is a scalar quantity. Direction is not a factor here. Hope I am clear to everybody. Now